Here's integrated 3. This is problem 11-73. And it's about a fish tank, and it's oblique, which means it's kind of squished. And it wants the letter A wants the volume. So volume is base times height. So the base is going to be a rectangle, and the rectangle is just 7 by 13. So 7 times 13 is 91. And I want to multiply that by the height. So I need this little height right here. And so what I did is I made, it says that it's 60 degrees. So I made a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And I know that, see this 12 right here? I know that that's the same as this one right here. Could you give me a pencil? I know that this 12 and this 12 are the same. And so I know that the short side is going to be half of the long side. And so that gave me a 6. And then I'm going to multiply that by root 3 because that's just how the 30, 60, 90 triangles go. It's x, 2x, and x root 3. So that gave me my height. So my height is 6 root 3, and then I times it by the 91, which came from 7 times 13, and that ends up to be 945.7 cubic inches. And then letter B wants to know how many fish, if he's got 25 fish, how many fish per square inch. So you just go fish per square inch. I did some cross products, but I didn't need to. It's just divide the numbers in your calculator, and you get 0.0264 fish per cubic, I said square inch, per cubic inch. And then they want to know how many per cubic foot. So I'm going to do dimensional analysis on it. So I have inch cube here. And so I need 3 unit multipliers. They're like giant ones. And each of them has their giant ones. They're 12 inches equals 1 foot. There's 3 of them. The reason I have 3 is because inch times inch times inch equals cubic inch. So those can cancel out. And then if I take the 0.0264 and multiply it by 12 times 12 times 12, I get 45.68 fish per cubic foot.